Hey, what's up, everybody? How you doing? So today I actually got myself one of the cheapest. It's actually the cheapest earbuds in the world. Okay, in the market. So it's from Xiaomi, and the reason why I bought this thing. So if you want to know how much is this is around $30, or maybe 25 dollars, 30 $25. Depends on where you are, but it's not. It's gonna be around that. And for Saudi riyals, it's gonna be 125 Saudi riyals. So I bought this from Jerry Bookstore, and this actually the cheapest earbuds I ever found. So what does it have? So what's good things about this? So we have a charging case, and it's called, by the way, uh, Me True Wireless Earbuds Basic. We have a charging case, and we have Bluetooth 5.0. So this is good. Um, and we have independent wireless design. This is just the design. So it's just a basic thing, nothing special about it. It's just that, even it says basic. Anyways, we're gonna open it right now and see what do we have inside the box. And I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna test on this earbuds. So three things I'm gonna test with these earbuds. Number one, battery life. Number two, sound quality. And number three, the longevity of the product. Some products actually consume batteries and they die fast, and this is very well known in the in the market of the earbuds. I noticed that. Actually, I lost my Huawei FreeBuds 3. I think it was stolen. I put it in my car and it was stolen, and I never found it. So I thought, just, if this is a chance to get something very, very cheap, it might be nice, test it out and show it everybody how it looks like. So what else we have here? This is the case, paperworks, and we have more paperworks. Wow, look at this. That's a book, guys. It's not paperworks. All right, and we have here some buds. That's it. So no cables, no cables at all. Okay, very, very interesting. You don't get any charging cables, nothing. You get this guy over here, and if we remove it, remove this plastic case, and also it's a micro USB charging, which is a bummer. Very cheap plastic, so if it falls uh, in a long distance, it's gonna crack for you. So don't try not to drop it. This is very cheap, guys. This is very cheap, and here it is. That's it. You just put it here and start charging. These are the earbuds. Let's put it here. I know nothing about this product, nothing at all. I don't know if it's a touch sensitive, it's gonna fit on my ears. Actually, I might just try it right now and see if it's actually gonna fit. I hope there is a sign here that this is the right side or the left side. Oh, by the way, there is a clickiness here. You can feel the click. Can you hear it? So there is a touch, but it's not a touch. It's a clickable touch. So this is actually weird. And let me just try it. Let me just first off see. I cannot. No, this is the right side and this is the left side, right? I believe this is how it's actually arranged. Anyways, I'm gonna try the right side right now. See if it fits. Hopefully, it's gonna fit. Okay, how can you wear this thing? Oh, it seems that I'm going to struggle a little bit. Let me just give it a try. Yeah. Anyways, I think I need to get used to wearing it because it's not easy to wear. I'll just try it. I'll show you in the full review about this, everything about this Xiaomi earbuds. It's very, very cheap, and I just bought it because I need something to replace my FreeBuds 3 from Huawei. And I'm just gonna use it temporarily because I usually walk outside and do some sports. So I need something temporarily because simply I just waiting for you know the next package. So yeah, we have three size buds. I don't think I need to open it, but we have three size buds. So this is what you get in here. Maybe I need to replace the buds so it fits in my ears. So yeah, that's it, guys. This is the unboxing. Very simple unboxing of the Mi True Wireless Earbuds Basic. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. See you guys later.